Hi friends, a fun children's story perfect for kids' bedtime stories. Get ready for laughter. Have you ever seen people who always mess things up, no matter how hard they try? Well, in the town of Tinkerland, there was a group of the silliest workers you could ever imagine. Charlie, Max, and Benny worked together in the town's repair team. But instead of fixing things, they often made them, well, much worse. One morning, the town mayor, Mr. Henry, called them for an important task. The big clock tower in the town square needs to be cleaned and fixed. The three friends cheered, ready for their mission. But with them in charge, would everything go smoothly? Or would it turn into a disaster? Charlie was in charge of cleaning the glass windows. He grabbed a cloth and started wiping, but instead of cleaning the glass, he accidentally polished a pigeon sitting on the tower. Wow! This pigeon is shinier than ever. Charlie laughed. But the pigeon was not happy. It flapped its wings and knocked Charlie's hat off. Meanwhile, Max was supposed to climb the ladder to fix the bell inside. But Max loved speed and always did things too fast. Instead of climbing carefully, he ran up the ladder so quickly that he tripped and flew straight into a tree. Help! Am I stuck? Do I still look cool, though? Max joked while hanging upside down, and then there was Benny. Benny was supposed to oil the clock's gears so they moved smoothly. But instead of carefully adding oil, he accidentally spilled the entire bottle all over the floor. Charlie slipped on the oil. Max fell from the tree. And Benny? He tripped over a bucket and rolled like a ball. The whole town watched and burst into laughter. Even though everything was a mess, somehow, the clock was cleaner, the bell was working, and the gears were moving smoothly. Mayor Henry clapped his hands and said, "Well, I have no idea how, but you actually did it." The three friends looked at each other and laughed. See? We always find a way. And from that day on, the people of Tinkerland knew one thing: even the silliest workers can get the job done. In their own funny way. Did you like this fun bedtime story? Hit the like button and subscribe for more amazing kids stories.